Hey guys, I apologize for the hiatus. Nigeria got me busy. Well, where did we stop? Yes, we are looking at the causes of climate change and how we can remedy that in our small way. A huge cause of climate change that I want to talk about today is food importation. Food importation is simply the movement of food products. Now, when we import food in order to feed a growing population, more fuel is used to transport the goods, more factories are created or constructed, farms become larger, they become more mechanized. This is why we encourage people to grow some, if not all, of their food. My interest for farming exponentially grew more while working with her. This is Seye, my friend, flatmate, and co worker who turned our house into a little farmyard. Let's check her out.
Hello, welcome to my home garden. So there's really no excuse to say I don't have a land. Right in here, we don't have a lot of space, but in this small garden, we have herbs, we have vegetables, we even have plantain, and then so it depends on your mindset. I'll show you a few of the things that you can do even in your small space. This is anti-snake. It's an anti-snake plant. It's also helpful for better sleep and helps relieve stress. So you can make herbal tea out of it. Another herb. It's referred to as the leaf of life. You can learn more about that. So here I have a nursery for soursop and
The soursop fruit tree.
yes. So what I'll do is at some point, a few of these are ready to be transplanted. I'm going to transplant them into bags and then I'll move them to the right location. So you can see that you don't need a lot of space. That's a very beautiful vegetable. Ugu in a bag, bitter leaf.
Ugu in a bag, you don't need space, just a bag and some tree stumps. Bitter leaf here.
Plantain. Yams here.
Okay, so most of these plants, Seye had grown them. I just benefit from her and I learned from her. But I learned one or two things, like this lemongrass, I got it from someone. And basically, I just brought it in with some soil and transplanted it here. As you can see, it's growing well, and I use this for my lemon tea. I just put these lemongrass leaves in. Another plant that I also took from the fussy that was given is this species of tomato. I can't wait for it to grow. As you can see, they're viney, so they need like some sort of support, like a tree, like a stick. And as you can see, it's growing well, although it requires some manuring to do later. Usually, most of these plants, like ugu, as well as all your leafy vegetables like okra and all, they all come from seeds. So all you need to do is plant them in the soil. It can be in a small poly bag or it can be here. Then when they grow up, as you can see, there's so many tomato seedlings or saplings here. They all require space. So as they're grown like this, later on you would have to transplant them into another area that has much more space. I hope you really liked this video. Give it a thumbs up. Join my green tribe, and I will catch you next for another tutorial. Let's start imperfectly. Bye.